Hello. Welcome to the Animal Worlds channel. We will know the sound of animals, but first, subscribe to the channel for you to know more animals. Thank you. Cats haven't always lived indoors. In fact, for most of history, cats have lived outdoors, alongside people. Today, it's estimated that there are just as many unowned cats living outdoors as there are pet cats. As the national experts on cats, Alley Cat Allies works to inform the public on the truth about cats. We correct misinformation and misunderstandings about cats that all too often result in misguided policies that lead to cats being killed. In addition to decades of hands-on experience observing and working with cats, Alley Cat Allies has taken a science-based approach, conducting research and analysis and publishing our findings, all to deepen our understanding of cats. Because of our work, hundreds of communities nationwide have changed their animal control policies and shelter practices to take into account our relationship to cats in our communities. The domestic cat species evolved from Middle Eastern wild cats, Felis sylvestris libica, who, research suggests, adapted to living in close proximity to people. The relationship between cats and people evolved over thousands of years. Only recently, when cat litter was invented in the 1950s, did keeping cats indoors become mainstream. Misinformation about cats, like the myths that feral cats suffer outside, that cats should be indoors only, or that cats are responsible for wildlife depletion, often result in misguided policies that lead to cats being killed. It's important to look at the facts, rather than believe sensationalized media hype or emotional arguments. Alley Cat Allies works to protect cats by correcting misinformation about cats, combating policies that get cats killed, and championing policies that protect and improve the lives of all cats, whether they're owned or unowned, indoor or out, friendly or feral, no matter where they live. The cat is similar in anatomy to the other felid species. It has a strong, flexible body, quick reflexes, sharp teeth, and retractable claws adapted to killing small prey. Its night vision and sense of smell are well developed. Cat communication includes vocalizations like meowing, purring, trilling, hissing, growling, and grunting, as well as cat-specific body language. A predator that is most active at dawn and dusk, the cat is a solitary hunter but a social species. It can hear sounds too faint or too high in frequency for human ears, such as those made by mice and other small mammals. Cats also secrete and perceive pheromones. Female domestic cats can have kittens from spring to late autumn, with litter sizes often ranging from 2 to 5 kittens. 9. Domestic cats are bred and shown at events as registered pedigreed cats, a hobby known as cat fancy. Population control of cats may be affected by spaying and neutering, but their proliferation and the abandonment of pets has resulted in large numbers of feral cats worldwide, contributing to the extinction of entire bird, mammal, and reptile species. 10. It was long thought that cat domestication began in ancient Egypt, where cats were venerated from around 3100 BC, 1112. But recent advances in archaeology and genetics have shown that their domestication occurred in Western Asia around 7500 BC, 13. The earliest known indication for the taming of an African wildcat was excavated close by a human Neolithic grave in Chilorocambos, southern Cyprus, dating to about 7500 to 7200 BC. Since there is no evidence of native mammalian fauna on Cyprus, the inhabitants of this Neolithic village most likely brought the cat and other wild mammals to the island from the Middle Eastern mainland. 1948, scientists therefore assumed that African wildcats were attracted to early human settlements in the Fertile Crescent by rodents, in particular the house mouse, Mus musculus, and were tamed by Neolithic farmers. Development of cat breeds started in the mid-19th century. An analysis of the domestic cat genome revealed that the ancestral wildcat genome was significantly altered in the process of domestication, as specific mutations were selected to develop cat breeds. Most breeds are founded on random-bred domestic cats. Genetic diversity of these breeds varies between regions and is lowest in purebred populations, which show more than 20 deleterious genetic disorders.